Hi, everyone. Welcome to 3D Design Fall 2024. My name is Amber. I'm going to be your professor. Welcome to week one. So this week in the module, I have the syllabus for you to review. So please review that. That's going to talk about the course and what we're going to learn in the course. And it has some useful resources also included, like we have in the previous module. In this week, I talk about how to be successful in the course. That's going to help you throughout the semester. I want to get to know everyone this week. So we have a student questionnaire that's going to ask you some questions about yourself so that I can get to know you. We're going to have weekly online meetings. And what's going to be important is that I know what times you all are available. What I will do is I will try to pick a time that works for me and the most amount of people in the class. I will say right now I'm leaning towards trying to meet on a Tuesday, but the times can vary depending on the responses from that Zoom meeting questionnaire. This week, we need to learn about each other as well from the class. So we have a discussion board of introductions where you're going to introduce yourself to the rest of the class and answer some questions and kind of share your interests and food likes. And we'll see what we have in common. We're going to do these kind of get to know each other discussion boards throughout the semester. This week, we're going to learn about the elements and principles of art. There's a couple videos on those. Please watch those and review those 2 pages. Our first project also has to do with those elements and principles of art, heavily, the principles of art. And we're also going to use some rhythm, possibly in our projects. In this module, I introduce our first project, which is Project 1 Earth Art. For this project, you're going to go outside and you're going to gather earth materials. So that can be rocks, leaves, flowers, palm fronds, petals. And you're going to want to get a lot of those items, probably hundreds of those items, and start collecting up a massive amount of those earth materials for use in your project. With those materials, you're going to find an outdoor area to install them, and you will place those objects in an artful way to create an installation, site-specific. There's also some vocab terms that go along with this earth art project, and so you can review those as well. And I give you examples of past student work and what they've done to help you get an idea of kind of the caliber of art that I'm expecting for this project, and to help you give you some ideas. On Sunday, I have a writing due and also some drawings due about your earth art project. And then that's about it. On Tuesday, on August 13th at 2 o'clock, I will be on Zoom and I will be going over the syllabus and the module in more detail. So Tuesday at 2, you can use our class Zoom link and join me, and I will go over this week's module and answer any questions that you have. You can introduce yourself to me. So if you can make it to that time, great. If not, if you can't make it, I will be posting the recording maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday for you to review the recording. So look for that. I'll make an announcement when that recording is posted so that you can review it as well. Okay. If you have any questions, the best way and fastest way to contact me is through Canvas. Message me. You can also email me. My email is amber.smith@chaffey.edu. So you can email me there. Or you can pop into office hours. This week it'll be Tuesday at 2. Next week it might change. Okay. All right, let's have a great week. I'm excited to meet all of you. All right, bye.